Hey guys, it's Haana here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing some of Notebook Therapy's products. So starting off with the notebooks, I've actually got two notebooks that I'll be reviewing today. Both of them are exactly the same, however only the design and the cover is different. So I'll be going through one notebook first and then I'll show you the other one later on. So all of Notebook Therapy's notebooks come in this really nice eco-friendly box that is reusable. So I really like the gold foil design that is on the front and also on the sides. So when you first open the box, it comes with this paper inside to protect the notebook. So the notebook I decided to get was this Gentle Giant Luxury Limited Edition Tsuki bullet journal. I really like how it has this handcrafted soft velvet cover and it feels really nice and smooth. It's like a mix of linen and velvet, and I like it paired with this really rich blue as it really makes it pop and looks really luxurious. So on the front cover, it has this gold foiling of a whale, moon and some stars, a wave on the side, and it also says Notebook Therapy at the back. So when you first open the notebook, it says Tsuki Gentle Giant Luxury Edition Bullet Journal by Notebook Therapy. And underneath it has a place for you to write your name. So when you first flip through some of the pages, it actually doesn't have an index, which I think is fine with me, but some of you guys might enjoy having an index, but you can always write your own later on. The pages are 160 GSM, so it is really thick and holds up many mediums if you like using different types of stationery. The sides are gold gilded edges with some waves and stars embossed into it to give this really cool design. At the back, it has this really cute quote that matches the notebook. It says, "Gently moving through the dreamy ocean, glimmers of hope on each new page." And on the back, it also has this storage pocket with a free little paper clip. And this paper clip is changed throughout what notebook you get, so it is unique to the notebook style and matches it perfectly. So the one that came with this notebook is a little whale with this gold kind of look to it. It also comes with an elastic band closure, which I think is really great for your bullet journal if you like doing a lot of scrapbooking or have lots of different papers and washi tapes and things like that to keep it all really secure. So the notebook also comes with two bookmark ribbons, which I find is really useful to put on pages that you want to access quickly. And by having two, it makes it really easy to switch between them. The dot grids are a really light grey and 5mm apart from each other. The pages are this crisp white, which is very similar to printer paper, and what I like about that is because the stationery you use stay true to colour and doesn't have like a hint of yellow to it. So the notebook comes in 3 different sizes. This is the A5 size, however they have a smaller one which is the Tsuki original, 135mm by 195, and also a larger size which is the B5. The original comes with 128 pages, whereas the A5 and B5 comes with 176. The notebook also has this 180 flat lay design, which makes it really easy to lay flat on your desk. However, on some of the pages where the pages are glued together, it doesn't lay completely flat, but I'm fine with that because that happens with most notebooks and it's not just this one. The pages also don't have any numbers on the edges, however I think that is fine because I like having it clean and this blank slate to work on. So this is it for this notebook, and now I'm going to show you the other notebook that I decided to get. So like I said before, all their notebooks come in this really nice eco-friendly box, as well as paper to protect the notebook. So the notebook I decided to get was the Playful Orca limited edition Tsuki bullet journal. And this notebook and the other notebook are also both part of this ocean collection. I really like how it has this vegan soft leather cover, and what I like about it is if you take your bullet journal around with you a lot, it's really great to protect from other things and doesn't get dirty as easily as some of the other types of covers. However, they do have lots of different designs and materials for front covers on their website, so you can check out Notebook Therapy to find the best notebook for you. It also comes with 2 different bookmarks in this white and black, and has a little quote saying, "The warmth of the sun fills me with playful inspiration. Rays of light splash and illuminate my thoughts," and comes with this cute little paper clip that matches the notebook. So next, onto the washi tapes. So all the washi tapes also come in this eco-friendly box, and I really like how this is part of the Oceans collection, so it kind of matches the notebook and you can create really nice cohesive spreads. So this set comes with 3 different sticker sheets, and I really like how they're pre-cut so you don't have to cut them yourself, and has this gold foiling designs, and each sticker set looks very different, so you get a whole wide variety. So next, onto the washi tapes. As you can tell, the washi tapes look quite different, but at the same time they kind of all combine nicely together. I like how they have mixes of darks and lights, and also different types of sizes. So first up, I've got the 6 15mm washi tapes. I like how they all have a hint of that gold foil, making it really nice, especially under the sun, when the sun hits that gold foil and gives that kind of shiny effect. So here I've got some circle washi tapes, which are really nice to just give a little pop of color, some 30mm wide washi tapes, and also a 7.5mm thin washi tape. It also comes with this really nice stamp kind of washi tape where you can cut it off and it looks like those stamps as it has those rigid edges. So for the brush pens, I got this 3 set of brush pens from Notebook Therapy. They are all black, however they have different size comparisons. So the smallest one is more of a hard tip. The second one is very similar to the first one, however it's just a bigger size. And the last one being quite a more soft tip and being more like a felt nib. So onto the swatches. I really wanted to try use different mediums to see how the paper would hold up. So first I'm just using some of the brush pens that I got before. One of them did have a bit of a leakage, but I think it was just the batch that I got. So I did use some gel pens, ballpoint pens, just to see how it would really work with this paper. I know that if you have a bit of a heavy hand with a finer tip, sometimes you can get that indent on the other side where you can feel it. However, I don't have much of a heavy hand, so it wasn't too much of a problem for me. I also used a white gel pen just to see how it would blend in with the paper, and it worked really well as a rollerball pen, some brush pens, markers, and some highlighters. I'm also trying to use some permanent markers just to see how they would hold up, even though you probably really wouldn't use them in your bullet journal. I'm also trying some watercolor. I'm not the greatest with watercolor, but I did want to try it out in case of any of you guys like using watercolor in your bullet journal. It did get a bit of warping, but later on when it dries a bit more, there's only little warps of where the watercolor ends and not as much as you can see now. The Sharpies and permanent markers also did have a bit of ghosting and a little bit of bleed through. So overall, I really enjoyed trying some of Notebook Therapy's products. If you're going to get something and you want to try out from their website, I would really recommend the notebooks. They have so many different designs, colors, and sizes, and honestly, I think they're really worth it. The notebooks may seem expensive at first, but if you're looking for something that can hold up many different mediums, this is definitely one of the more affordable options out of all the different 160 GSM notebooks. It also comes with free worldwide shipping, which I think brings down the cost a lot depending on where you live. So the washi tapes are a bit more on the pricey side. However, if you are wanting to kind of match it with your notebooks, then I don't think it's such a bad option. The brush pens are also not anything too special, but it's okay if you are wanting just some black brush pens with different size nibs. So this is going to be it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and unboxing and hopefully found it helpful. If you've got any other questions, make sure to comment that down below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and hit that notification bell next to it to get notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!